Heads Up is a fun party game you can play with friends using your phone. Start by downloading the Heads Up app on your phone. Then, split up into teams. Choose one team to go first. Then have them choose one of the decks in the app to determine what category they'll be playing with, like animals, celebrities, or accents. One person on that team holds the phone up to their forehead with the screen facing out. Then, the other players on their team read the answer on the screen and try to give the player clues about what it says without directly saying the answer, spelling it out, or using words that rhyme with it. If the player holding the phone guesses the right answer, they tilt the phone down toward the floor to score a point. Then, the team keeps playing until the 60-second timer runs out. If at any point the player holding the phone can't figure out the answer, they can tilt the phone up to skip to the next answer. Teams score 1 point for each correct answer they get. After one team's turn is over, the next team gets a turn. Alternate who holds the phone and who acts out the clues, so everyone on each team gets a chance. You can play as many rounds as you'd like. Whichever team scores the most points wins.